Hi guys, I'm Jerry. Today I will answer some questions about what to ask from Alibaba supplier. The first question is, what is your MOQ? We are cosmetic packaging supplier. We have many kinds of these products, such as a roll-up bottle, airless bottle, plastic jar, and so on. Most of our roller bottle MOQ is 20,000 pieces. Some items like the bamboo roller bottle is 5,000 pieces. Our airless bottle MOQ is 5,000 pieces to 10,000 pieces. Our plastic jar MOQ is 10,000 pieces. As per the MOQ, you can custom the color and the logo on the bottle and jars. The second question is, what is your lead time? Our lead time is about 35 days after receiving your deposit and samples approval. The third question is, can you supply the free samples? Yes, we can offer free samples in our stock color. You only pay the shipping cost. If you want the custom color and printed samples, you have to pay some sample fee and the shipping cost. If you want to learn more, you can follow me. Thank you.